This storm is literally the size of Florida. It's massive. So it's gonna be hours and hours and hours of rain. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a go.
Where'd you come from?
I come from South Africa. I live in the UK, and yeah, caught loads of fish, but
That's why you're here right now.
Yeah,
You
that's
came here to catch
exactly
black
right.
tips.
Catch black tips. That's correct.
Kevin, where are you from?
I am from Michigan, Bay City, Michigan.
What brought you down here?
The black tip fishing.
It is miserable out here. Okay, where's chum bags at? Is there a garbage can on here? And I'm really glad we got these frog togs, bro. We'd be screwed right now. Dude, that's really coming down.
How much rain is that, bro?
Bro, this is a lot of rain. The reason we're tying this bag on right now, this rope, is so that we can toss it out there and get these jacks going. People are looking at us like, these guys are nuts. No, we're just dedicated. This is the houndfish bait you want to use. Yeah, man, this is how you catch the houndfish. Guys, I do apologize for the dirty lens. It's raining cats and dogs and there's nothing we can do about it.
That's quite a big bait for a needlefish, huh?
No. No way, man. That's how you catch big ones.
Really?
There should be some right here. This little, oh, right there, oh, right there, right there. There he is. Big one. Oh, giant houndfish. Oh my gosh, giant, dude. Look at the size of him. Oh, he's got him. He's got it. Oh my gosh. Dude, oh my goodness, he's giant. Yeah. Got him. Woo! Oh no, he spit it. He's gone. Oh yeah, we got him. We got this one. Woo! Oh man, look at the big one. Oh, he's jumping. Oh. The head shakes. These guys smell like little sailfish.
Oh, nice.
It's a nice one, eh?
Yeah, man.
What? You're gonna eat him?
I'll eat that.
You'll eat that?
Yeah.
Careful, careful.
Is that gonna hold?
Yeah, it's gonna hold. Look at those teeth, guys.
These are a bit big for eating, bro.
You think so?
Yeah, I think the small one probably tastes better.
My lens is filthy. Wanna let him go? Let him go? Alright. There he goes.
Nice release.
Alright, so that's how I got it rigged up, guys. Small hook, big bait. And you just let him eat it and then you set the hook. The reason I'm using whole ones is because I want a big one. I don't like catching little ones. That's what they're eating in here. Like, there's a bunch of alligators that live in here, man. The bait fish. And the hounds come in and just destroy them. They gotta eat them fast or else the other hounds will come and steal it out of their mouth. Oh! Did you see that? He missed it. He came out of the water for it. A big hound, dude. He jumped. Did you see that, Kevin? He came completely out of the water. He missed the bait, man. A big hound. Watch, he's gonna come up and eat it right now. Watch.
Big what?
A big hound. A big hound. Oh! There he is. Did you see him grab it? Oh my gosh! He's giant. He's right there. He's eating it. You see the bait? See the bait? He's eating it. He's gonna turn it sideways and you see the bait? Watch him disappear. Oh, he spit it out. Oh, man. Throw your bait underneath the chum bag. There's a ton of fish sitting underneath that, eating little bits. There you go. Oh man, good one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's got dinner on. Oh, he's taking you on the thing. Dude, giant. Oh my gosh. Kevin's a happy man. Look at that, guys. That's the biggest one yet. There you go. There you go. Oh, he's got another one. He's got a dinner fish on. Dude, you're getting cranked. Oh man.
Yeah, on the island, baby.
Man, what's that?
Ooh.
Jeez.
It's a giant.
That's a big spot, man.
I know, right? Oh, he's gonna wrap you. He's in what, the ladder?
Do you want me to go get him? I'll get my diving gear.
No, a spot?
He's out, he's out.
He's out, he's out, he's out.
We catch those about this big
We're here?
in South Africa.
Really?
Yeah, off the surf.
Dude, that's just a giant. Oh, this might be a chub. Dude, this guy's whooping you. It's a chub, dude. It's a chub.
Nice.
I caught a chub.
That's a big chub. That's why he fought so hard. Oh, giant. Bro, oh, I got a giant. Look, 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 yeah, dude. Oh, dude, he got off. Oh, he's still on, he's still on. He's charging me. Yeah, it's a big one. Oh. His mama right here. Oh, dude, he bit me. He bit me. Oh, it's giant, dude. Giant, dude. Giant. The wide angle lens does not justify how big this fish is. Look at those teeth, guys. He will mess you up. Good size. Oh, there's my hook right there. I don't know if I can get it out. Here, I'm just gonna get it out quickly.
We could be doubled up. Just hang on, hang on.
No, no, no. Well, let me go. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. There he goes. They can't live out of the water too long. What do you got? What do you got? Dude, you might get a nice jack on there. What do you got? What was that? Oh. Houndfish? Dude, that's a giant blue runner. Yes. Oh man,
That's a giant.
that's a giant.
That's my record blue runner.
That's a record blue runner.
Look at the size of that thing,
Dude, I got fish too.
Huge.
I got fish. Oh,
We got bait.
dude, that's
Dude, you know how big this
amazing.
thing is?
I don't know, your ninja skills are on target.
Yeah, but flip, it's slimy as anything.
Dude, that is like, if you put that down on one of the wrecks, bro, you'd get crushed by a big cuda.
Pull that chum bag up. The fish are feeding too deep.
The chubs are going down, guys. Oh man, I'm trying to eat it. Oh, he's done. Oh, Guggen. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, dude! Dude, did you see the size of that houndfish that was just... Bro, he was giant. Oh, big cuda, big cuda, big cuda, big cuda. Look. Bro, the houndfish just came up and just started... Dude, the biggest houndfish you've ever seen, dude. Yes. You got a fish on. Dude, the whole thing just broke. Dude. Bro, just get him in, man.
I'm trying, bro.
Doubled up? Oh, it's a giant! Giant jump, dude. Bro, what an idiot. That fish is dumb. What do you got, Kevin?
I don't know.
You got a chub?
Yeah, chub.
Oh my gosh, bro. That is ginorm. Look at that thing. Dude, that's a giant. Spent $200 on that chub getting him mounted, bro.
Did you see that? Almost lost. I almost lost. About
How much money did you...
$300 rig.
How much?
About $300.
Oh, I got one. Oh, I got one. Dude, they fight, man.
He's fine.
Woo! Oh my gosh, they fight. Dude. Oh, he got me off, bro. I was putting a little too much heat on him. Bait. Dude, you're like the chub whisperer. Bro, you're getting smoked.
There's so much fun on the bike here. Oh, he broke me out of the farm.
Dang. I got 5% battery left. Let's get one. Come on, come on. Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh my gosh, dude. Fighting so look at this, the death circle. It's like finding like a bonita. Oh my gosh. You really gotta follow them around, they're gonna break you off. You thought you can get away, couldn't you? I don't think so, Mr. Chub. I don't think so. There's the chub. Right there, guys. Ooh.
Taking it to another level.
Yeah, that's a giant, bro. Look at that. Look at that face. It's crazy. Look at that mouth. Oh my gosh. You got one.
Australian, bro.
Dude, you're crushing them.
Look at this thing. This thing has mental, bro.
Bro, look at that thing.
Dude, I crushed that thing.
Dude, he fought hard.
Oh, dude, he swallowed me. What's up with that?
Warren, have you eaten chub, houndfish, and spot before?
Yes, I've eaten all three species before. I highly recommend the chub. Slightly fatty, but the taste is fantastic. Great texture, and highly recommended.
What about you, Kevin?
Yes, I've eaten all three of them before. My favorite would be the chub. I would relate that to the snapper family. Probably your yellowtail, red snapper, mango snapper. So
Nice.
you put them all on a plate. I would.
All right, man. I trust you guys. I trust you guys. I mean, they do look kind of tasty right there.
I'm cooking this fish. I'm going to do it in the oven. Always have the shiny side inside. Reflects the heat a bit more. Try the chub. You need to just put some slits down on the fish.
Now, what's the slits for?
You'll see in a minute. And do that both
So
sides.
that's the chub.
That's the chub. You can see it's a really nice fatty fish. This
Salt?
is a bit of rock salt. We're going to put that on both sides. And just rub that in. Don't be shy. Alright. So what we want to do now is get some lemon slices just like that. Leave the rind on. Stick that on top. And we want to put a few slices on the top as well. And then just give it a drizzle of olive oil. You can use butter as well. Just depends what you want. We'll just fold it up.
That's it. No spices.
That one's good with the lemon. You can put some spices in it, but we've got the rock salt, so that's going to give
Wow.
us the
That's
most
it, man.
natural.
Hey.
That's going to give us the most natural flavour. This is we're going to do another chub. We're going to try a different recipe. Same again. Get the slits in, not too deep.
Do you love eating fish, Warren?
Fish is my favourite.
Fish is your favorite?
Yeah, by far.
You're putting the rock salt on there again.
Again, always rock salt. Draws the flavour out as well. Just put some seasoning on that.
What is
Rub
that? What
in
is
as
that?
well. That's just a mixed herb. We're going to try a bit of garlic. You don't want to use too much garlic. I'd say probably a half a teaspoon on each side. Just rub that in as well.
Half a teaspoon on each side. That's it.
And that's it. That's another one done.
We get the spot next.
Yeah, we catch these in South Africa. We call them a blacktail because obviously got a blacktail, but same fish.
Yep. Hey, don't be hating on the houndfish, guys. What would you rather do, a cooking show or a fishing show?
Both. They're both pretty cool. Yeah, same again.
Same as the chub?
Same as the chub, yeah. I think this one will be a winner. When you do these in the oven, always have the wrapped end facing up because
Always have the what end?
the bit that you've wrapped up, when you
Always
put
have that
that in the
facing up?
oven, put it exactly in like that. If you do it the other way around,
You're gonna lose the juices.
you're going to lose the juices and also you're going to upset your mother a lot.
All right, here comes my favorite, the houndfish. I can't wait to eat that head, dude. That head looks very tasty, doesn't it?
Doing the handfish, same idea, just a few little slits just to get the flavour of the seasoning in. More seasoning on it.
Yeah.
You going home tonight?
Yeah, of course I'm going home.
You might not get let in the door though.
Why?
All the garlic, man. Yeah.
There's the houndfish. Oh, yeah. I knew that was gonna happen.
Dude. Oven settings for these 4 pieces of fish, you want to put it at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes and stick it in the middle of the oven, and that should do your fish absolutely fine.
Alarm is going off. 30 minutes. Oh, the houndfish part. Oh man. It smells pretty good actually.
You're not kidding. Just the black spot. Well, that's definitely done.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
It's pretty good.
It's really good. Get that bone out. Right, houndfish. See how the bone turns green? It's like
Look at that.
iridescent green, that.
Alright, here we go. Warren's gonna try the houndfish. Oh man.
That's really good.
Is it really good?
That's really good.
Get out of here.
How could you know? That's freaking awesome. That's
Come
really,
on.
That is really, really good.
Really?
Yeah. The garlic soaked right into the meat.
What would you rank the houndfish right now out of 10?
Out of 10,
Yeah.
I'd probably give that about an 8.
Really?
Really.
So if 10 is the best fish you ever had,
If 10 is the best fish I've ever had, which is a fish in South Africa, that I'd probably give it an 8. Really.
Wow, that's
I don't know
pretty
what the
good.
big ones taste like, but that little one is really tasty.
oh my gosh. Let's look at Kevin. Kevin! Hey Kevin, come on, food's ready, let's go.
Alright.
So Warren has just told us that the houndfish, if the greatest fish he's ever had is a 10, houndfish, this houndfish right here is an 8. So Kevin, I want you to grab a piece and try it. Alright, you ready?
That houndfish is excellent.
Really?
That houndfish
Is it actually that
it
good?
is excellent. I don't know what happened the first time because I was the other way. I thought that was, but this houndfish right here
It's really good, isn't
is
it?
man. And there was a book we read that said it was excellent eating.
Yeah.
That is excellent eating.
I really don't like eating fish, so for me to eat houndfish right now, this is real special. And I'll tell you, if it's really good, these guys may eat fish all the time, and they're used to it, but I like catching them, but I don't like eating them. I usually give my fish away, so here we go. All right, this is the infamous houndfish. It's pretty good, actually.
It's actually
That's
really
pretty good.
Yeah. Wow.
It's pretty good to a non-fish eater. It's excellent to fish eaters.
Dude, I'm getting ready for the spot tail.
The spot tail?
How much lemon did you stick on it? Loads.
Just a little bit.
How's that taste?
It's totally different from that. That is very good.
Totally different?
Yes. This has got a harder texture.
Tastes the same to me. Hey, what's better, Kevin?
I'd have to go with the houndfish.
Oh!
I'm going with the houndfish.
Oh man, dude.
The
Warren, here we go.
houndfish has
You
got
tell
my
me.
vote.
What's better?
I think the spot is better.
Really?
I really do.
Oh, the eyes are the best part.
You can eat the eyes?
You can eat the eyes, man.
Are you serious?
Eyes are the best part of any fish.
Did you just eat an eye?
Mm-hmm.
What? It's a houndfish eyeball. Guys, there's nothing left of this houndfish. It's gone.
That's it.
It's
Look
gone.
at that.
I think the chub is going to take it.
Well, I think we're gonna have to catch some more and have another battle. Maybe go out in the streets and ask the people because I'm a houndfish guy. Chub's not bad. I liked the chub the other day, but today I like the houndfish.
What do you? Okay, to all our freshwater
Sure.
viewers, what
Let's
does the
get the chub
houndfish
up.
taste similar to?
Houndfish would taste it's walleye.
Walleye.
I'd say walleye.
Really?
I live in Michigan. I live on Saginaw Bay. I catch a lot of walleye. I go to Canada fishing. I'd say it tastes like walleye.
Really?
Yep,
Okay, that's a huge step. You know, you're taking that right now, right? I mean,
absolutely. If everyone wants to
That's a
doubt
bold
me,
statement because walleye is one of the premier fish of the world.
next year I will bring some walleye down with me, and we'll have a cook-off. We'll do that.
Houndfish versus walleye?
Yeah. See what people think.
These things tasted brilliant the other day. Let's get this bad boy off.
Bro, I don't know. That looks delicious. You're gonna make a chub sandwich.
No, it's for dipping in that sauce.
What sauce?
The chub juice.
You like the chub juice?
Dude, I kid you not.
Get out. Is it actually good?
This is really good. This is how you know if a fish tastes good. See all that juice from the fish?
That's fish juice
That's fish juice right there. That's what you want.
Yummy.
Stick a bit of onion on that.
Is that good?
That's really good. I've eaten really good fish in SA.
you eaten mahi?
And, mahi I've eaten.
Mahi or chub?
I'd say they're about the same.
What, the same?
Yeah, I've given both a 9.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Put that whole thing in your mouth, bro. Is that good?
That's really good.
Alright, Kevin, let's see. This or the houndfish? Here we go.
Actually, wait, Kevin.
Now you're cheating.
Hey,
Not
salt
really.
to it.
Not really.
Hands down, this.
That's better?
That's better.
Better than the houndfish.
That's better than houndfish.
Really? Look here.
That piece was excellent that I just ate.
Put some salt on mine there, Warren, hey?
Here, get a pot. He gave you a piece of the top.
This fish is freaking phenomenal.
That is pretty good, man. With the salt. Here, give me some salt in that. Okay, here we go, guys. Here we go.
Put some lemon on it as well.
Some lemon on it? Here, put some lemon on it. Oh my gosh.
That is,
Here we go.
that's good.
The lemon one.
The
The
lemon one.
garlic was in a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good.
That-
I don't like
really
eating
good.
fish.
That's really good, man.
Guys, I don't eat fish, but I would say a chub tastes like a pompano. I would say very, almost identical taste. Wow, that's really good. I don't eat as much fish as these guys do, but I will tell you this: that chub was delicious, guys. It was, I mean, it was solid.
It was really
Solid.
good.
It was yummy, man. And I would definitely eat it again. I'm more of a steak and pasta guy, so for me to say that is a big deal. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.